Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Here is our sheet mulching progress. So every time it rains a little bit, we will do a little bit of sheet mulching. And it rained last night. We have this 70-gallon rain barrel here, and it's got all that water. We need to start coming up with a design, because the sheet mulching, we left this middle section open because we want a pathway to come up and go to the backyard over there and one to go to the front door. So we actually need to do a little bit of design and figure out what we want to do with the front yard. Let's head inside. I am watching this 3-hour video on how to design a California native species plants garden. We are getting a lot of information from this website and also this website. Let's draw the rough draft. This is what we are going to start with, a seating area to hopefully look something like this. We want a dry creek riverbed, and I want to make a bridge like that over here too. This is some of the plants we want to use. These are our goals. Can't wait to get started. Video number 91 done.